Bootstrap.css is the file name. Next, we'll follow the body tag. Body tag. Under body tag, you can write a class called bg-light. 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 Next, after this, we'll write a class container division. Next, these all are the formula of this one grid system. Nitesh, you have not attended, so it will look like odd for you. You can see today. I'll give the video links of last 2-3 Bootstrap classes and have a look in that. If looks like you can understand, then will be okay. Okay, row is ready. Now inside the row division class equal to call LG3. Call LG not 3, 4 we can write, and another one 8. 4-8 combination. Inside the 4 we can write text center. From inside H1 dashboard. This we can change class equal to text hyphen primary. Text primary. Next, inside the 8 you can write a class called text hyphen end. Text start is nothing but the text align left. Text start is text align left. Text end is text align right. And text center is text align middle. We'll write inside a button called home, not home, dashboard. Dashboard. Next, 3-4 buttons you can add. Product, customer, billing, vendor, then some more thing. Log out. These all are the buttons, but for this button color combination we have to use different colors should come. So for different color, we have a class BTN will be for the button, and along with that text danger primary info warning success you have written. Similar way, here will be BTN hyphen danger red color. Now these classes are available in that Bootstrap file. The button class list we have not created. We will create that also. Button danger info, then success, then primary. Next is called warning. Next is called secondary. 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 So this will create the multiple buttons, and that button will be in the 8, and it will start from right side. It will be under the 8 and it will start from the right side, something like this. In container, empty class is required. Empty4 will be okay to apply some space from the top. Okay, so hope added empty4 and button got little space from the top, something like this. Next will come down. This row is over. After this, we'll create another row. In this row, we can write MB5 margin bottom 48 pixel. This we can add here call row end. Next division class equal to row add a division call LG 12 and again text center. So this will appear in the middle. This will appear in the middle. In the middle, you will write the again H1 as we have written on the top, and we can write call dashboard. Text color will be different as info. And in this row, MT5, MB5. MT5 and MB5 both we can add. Okay, hope ready. Dashboard appears something like this. Now below we will create different blocks. And in that block we can display something from the font awesome. Remember font awesome icon? CSS we have used. Those font awesome icon we can use here. Somewhere we can use the okay, let's come. Card. This one was from the card. So card is not required here. Create the next row, next division, class row. In this row, you will create total 4 blocks in one line. Division, call LG 3 and MB4. Division P4, padding 4, and then you can write here call bg-info as well as text-white as well as rounded as well as shadow-lg, and on row level we can write text center. So everything of this row will be in the middle. And then we can write call software. It will give you one block, but this software should be written under any of the heading tag. H4, suppose if you follow H4, something like this. So this is 4, 3 and as well as this is row end. Row end. 3 end and row end. These 3 you copy. Okay, so organize once. I'll come in 2 minutes. Year gap people are there, no? You have the year gap. Year gap people. Oh, okay. They also need job. Yes. Without year gap, people can get job easily, but the people have the year gap, how they'll get the job? Okay. Those people are sitting in that room. Okay. They have finished the training and all. No. Now they are working on their class project is also finished. That what I do live project. Now they are working for 2 months on project to put the experience. Okay. Because they'll go in the market as experience. For experience, knowledge is required. Right. How knowledge will come? Knowledge will come from the experience only, and experience come from after spending the time. Yes. So they are working 10 to 5. They will be here full day for next 2 months continuous. Daily 10 o'clock, I give them the work. 2 o'clock, we check once where are you. 1:30, 1:45 before class, I will verify once, and then again 5 o'clock before going, we'll see who and all completed, who is lacking, where is the problem, how to write email. Then only they will have experience. Then only they will say yes. You can work. I have worked. Then they will say I have worked. Yes. Project also, they are working on one project we have got from the somewhere from out of India, one company, they are given the project, tech support project. Okay. Tech support project, like ticket will be raised by customer, ticket will be assigned to technician, they will be fixing the problem. Maybe people will come, the customer may come through the chat also. Suppose our entire functionality we are adding, who fixes what problem, who was the customer, what was the problem. That entire one project end to end. This project, one basic we created for them, night or connect. So this is as of now only basic structure is ready. Remaining the backend part. This is the front, this is the public view. This is for the public. When the public will come, they'll say. Now when the public needs service, employees will be there, correct? Administrator will be there. So the application, website is developed. Now application is developing through the React node and all. Okay, so the application will be helping their tech support team to fix the issue of the customer, identify what problem, when problem, where problem, what ticket, who is solving this everything. Ticket assigned to whom. Complete workflow end to end. So if they will deliver the product, then definitely 1.5 to 2 year experience will then go easily. No problem. Okay, so this look like this, something dashboard. Okay. Next, after that, we'll add some more icons here. Call LG3 you have added. Okay, so let me check once. So design looking similar or something else? Skills come after spending the time. Network increase after spending the money. Okay, yes. Network increase after spending the money, and skills come after spending the time. Yes. Whoever will spend more time, they will have more skill. More skill, more experience. Okay. So next, copy the same call LG3 and paste again. Call LG3 and paste again. And write inside BG info is okay. We'll keep everywhere BG info rounded slow. Change the text. Change to text to marketing. Okay, marketing. Now after that, you can check once how the icon is coming. It will come just one after other. Next, we can add. So when we are displaying the software, desktop icon should come. When we are displaying the marketing, maybe suitcase or head symbol should come. Okay, let's come next. Same college 3 we can copy and paste again. Inside that we can write call customer customer. Next again we can add call billing. 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 Marketing, customer, then billing. Something like this. Now for this many 4 blocks, we will add the icon and then we'll try the next block. For 4 block, we will add the icon. Even on the top buttons we have added. Here also we need to add the icons. Dashboard should have a dashboard icons, right? Then after that, it will look more better. Okay, next after that, we require that icons. We require that icons. So you remember where is the icon folder? Icon folder. Icon folder we have added under the CSS folder. So I'll suggest you go to the CSS folder, take your icon folder. It should be under the external CSS. Icon folder I'll share in the chat also. Okay, hope you downloaded the icon folder. After that, if you have already, you can take it and keep under the Bootstrap. Icon folder, you copy and paste under the Bootstrap folder. Okay, so now come to the again folder, this file, template1.html file, and we need to import that CSS file in the beginning. That is called icon slash CSS slash all.css. Okay. But all will be free one. Okay. All will be free one. Okay. When we buy the premium, they will give another file. There will be complete a bundle. So this all.css are free only. What we have downloaded is a free. Yes. Okay. Because if they'll give the free download link for the premium option, then their business will be zero. Exactly. They have given the link to download only free only direct. And even while downloading the option, download for web, free for web. Free for web button was there. There only we have click free for web. So it will download. So in that there is a different file also. Brand name. If you want only brand name, then we can from brand.css. If you want something old icons, version 3, version 4, that also one file was there. If you want only social media, one file was there called social media related. If you want all free icons, then we can call all.css. Now here in the dashboard case, here in the same line, where dashboard is written here only, we should have I open and close class equal to fa hyphen home, and after closing the I tag, one space is required. After closing of I tag, one space is required. So we can see one dashboard, home icon will appear. Now multiple buttons we have here. For all the buttons, there should be different type of icon. So we can go here, and for dashboard, again dashboard only. For dashboard, you can keep home itself. So please arrange it slowly. So for dashboard, we required home. For product, we can use suitcase. Suitcase. For customer, we can use users. USERS users. For billing, we can use which one? Rupee. For vendor, we can use for building. Right, and for logout, we can use power off. Power hyphen off. Power hyphen off.
So इसमें इससे आइकन रूटीन में मैंने ट्राई किया है INR तो वो INR का सिंबल
INR okay देखेंगे which one is working rupees RS came here INR means okay that where is it INR we can write INR okay INR okay so this is the this is a okay so please try this okay so hope your navigation part this is coming. Now you can ask the question from yourself only why I am using the Bootstrap. Okay, why I am using the Bootstrap? Bootstrap we are using so that in less time we can design a proper page. In less time, like suppose to write the CSS like this, it will take some time. To design this kind of icon using Photoshop will take long time. Okay, even we can't make correct, that should work in all the browser. So this is called a open source available in the market. According to need, people use this. Okay, people use this. Right now we need to add here for software, for marketing, for customer and billing. So before dashboard text, we should have icon. Icon should be before dashboard. Okay, so here no need to add it. Yes, we need not to add here. We need to add here before software. Before software, we required for desktop. And FA hyphen 4x FA hyphen 4x FA hyphen 4x. So 16 into 4 will be the font size. 1x means 16 pixel. Now 4x we have given them 16 into 4. 64 pixels will be the font size of the icon. We can check here something like this. Add the similar way another icon for marketing. Now in marketing, we can add here called suitcase. Suitcase, F-A-F-A, suitcase. Suitcase, check now. It should look like this. Customer is nothing but users. Billing is same, INR. Customers. Users. Okay, then we can see page looking clean. We can add one more line, some different type of icons.
सर ये जो आइकन है सॉफ्टवेयर का और नीचे टेक्स्ट उसके बीच में स्पेस नहीं आ सकता.
We can give a space from here. This we have written.
Yes.
Icon. We have a class called MB3. Margin bottom 16 px. So icon will leave a space in the bottom. How much? 16 pixels. Px. So whatever the text will appear, text has to leave on the top 16 px.
Okay.
Okay. Whether you ask left side to shift in the left or ask the right side to shift in the right. Anyhow, a space we need to make in between.
Yes.
So we are not asking the bottom to shift in the down. We are asking top itself. You give some space in the bottom. You leave some, reserve some space in the bottom. Okay. If the first line will end and it will not take any extra space in the bottom, then next line will start from very nearby. Yes. We are asking the icon you be there only, but reserve some space in the bottom, 16 pixel. So next line, whichever will come, it will leave the 16 pixel, then it will start. That is something like this. Okay. So you can add the class called MB3 and then check once your page is ready or not. Okay, so hope space got applied.
Yes.
Now these buttons are coming. Buttons are coming. There is little gap in between. We have one class. That class will remove the space between two buttons. Okay, that class will remove the space between two buttons. Then it will look like something more better. So all call LG3 is completed. All call LG3 Completed. Okay. Let's come up. The button we have written, all the button first to put inside a division. All the buttons keep inside a division. All the buttons keep inside a division. Okay, button open close, sorry, division open close. Now inside the division you will write BTN group, class BTN hyphen group. So all the buttons will become one group and a space between the buttons will get removed. A space between the buttons will get removed.
So, button classes that are also a part of Bootstrap CSS.
All the classes are part of Bootstrap CSS. Only FA hyphen what we have written. That class is inside the I tag what you wrote, it's from the font assign. Okay. Remaining all classes A to Z from the Bootstrap. See, now a space is gone and buttons are connected together. BTN group, buttons will get connected together. A starting button will have radius, last button will have radius. Buttons in between buttons will not have radius. Okay. Button group will help you to make the button in one group. There will not be any space. Page will again come to the same page. After container where everything is finished. Okay. In the last, you add a section tag. Section tag. For this section tag, give a class equal to let me find out the class. We wanted this should be the footer at the end of the page. This should be where? At the end completely. 8 minutes. I'll see the list of the classes what we have. Not this. Okay. So in that Bootstrap, sticky
footer.
STICKY sticky footer. What is the CSS in that? Container only class is written, and footer is okay. Busy light. Main, okay, this is the top. Let me try this. Here we don't have anything. Max width, where sort of hiding here appears. 1 minute. Allow the passport. Should not be the default. Scheme on the top. No? We wanted this should be in the last. Okay. So that is not redefined. We can write our own. So we can write inside a class P4 text hyphen center, and after that my footer, class called my footer, that we can modify from our side. Okay, write a p tag. Copyright at the rate your website.com. $25. Only one line. Okay. But again, we wanted to make two sections: copyright message in the left side and the social media in the right side. So again, we have to use the row column. So this went wrong decision. We can cut the p tag and keep like in the div class as container. Container will have a division. The row will have a division called LG6 section. Inside the first 6, you can add this, and under the second 6, we can add the social media. Text end, paragraph is okay. You can use here I class equal to FAB space FA hyphen Facebook, FA hyphen LG, and M2 also. So margin, some space will be applied. Twitter, LinkedIn, then Any kind of icon. Icon is coming, text is also coming. This text should be in the left side, better. This should be in the right side. So for this, we can write text left, text start, text start. So that the copyright word will come in the left side and this will go in the right side. But it has to be at the end of the page. So for that, I have written the class called my footer. We will be writing the CSS for that. We have to write our own CSS. Take now first copyright text plus no, sir. Okay, done. Now we'll write the CSS. The footer design is ready. Now we can write one CSS for this one, my footer. See, in Bootstrap file also we can modify. .css file we have there also we can modify, or we can create our own file and in that we can add and we can call here. Okay, or we can write here internal CSS and also we can modify. All three possibilities we have. In bootstrap.css also we can write in the end. We can create our own file custom.css. We can write and we can import call here. Okay, or internal CSS if we have one line, two line, we can write internal CSS. Okay, but internal CSS if you are using in multiple pages, like suppose same my footer if you are going to use in multiple pages, everywhere you have to do copy paste.
Yes.
So better than that, you have to create a file, add there and call. Okay, so footer should be what? Bottom 0px. Whatever your screen height, no matter, it should be at the end. From bottom, it should leave 0 pixel. And width should be 100%. And position should be fixed. Okay. This will fix the footer in the last end of the screen. Footer went to the last. Footer should go in the end of the screen. Okay. How much content we have in the page, no matter. If content is more, content will go down, but the footer will be here always. Okay, so write the CSS, then we can call one more class there. Come down. At the end of the page, inside this footer only section itself, you can write border hyphen top. Border top and then border hyphen primary. Border top, border primary. Border top, border primary. Border top, border primary. Border top, border primary. Anything? Yes, one line is coming. That line is coming in the blue color. Primary, blue color. Border bottom. Border bottom also I added. Let me see. Okay, so bottom line border will not be visible because it is touching the line.
Border is 0 pixel.
Yes. No, it's touching the bottom line because of that. It's not visible. Border bottom we can leave. Info how it is. Info is coming.
Light blue.
Light. Okay. What about the this one? White or maybe gray, white or secondary. White is also coming but not visible. Secondary. Try once the secondary. Okay, so info was better. Info was better. Something like this. Okay. If one employee is able to design this page in 1 week in the office, he will be the good performer.
Yes.
1 week or
1 week.
1 week, he will be the good performer. Hundreds of the email will come. Excellent, good job. This job, that job. Okay.
So we need to know the basics also in order to reach.
In order to reach the point and implement the particular things, we need to know that. In offices, usually people take 1 week of time to design this. A sprint and all will happen. People will no, 1 week not possible. Need 10 days something. That was the problem was happening with me when I was working for the in your new project folder. Like suppose I'll tell you my project name is this one. My project folder name is called which one? My Redux. Correct? My Redux. So now my CMD is pointing to which folder? My Redux. Under that CMD, under the CMD, you will write npm install bootstrap npm install bootstrap. The one command npm install bootstrap. Second command npm install. I should write also here what are the installation we are doing. Npm install bootstrap. Npm install react hyphen router hyphen dom npm install redux and npm install react hyphen redux. Install this all. React router dom redux react hyphen redux. Okay. Next, after that, you will be writing inside code space dot enter code space dot enter so VS Code is open. We can write next inside under the index.js file. You will import one more line. Import Bootstrap dist CSS bootstrap dot CSS. Import the bootstrap in the import the bootstrap in index.js file. Okay, hope import done. Now after this, create few components inside. One component book.js, one more component user.js, one more component dashboard.js, dashboard.js, user.js, book.js, dashboard.js. Create three component. Okay. Next, after this, come to the app.js file and delete unusual content from here. Okay, and right inside division, container empty4 and two blocks. Division, first write a class row, division, call lg 4, and another one is 8. 4-8 combination. This is in app.js file. Under the 4, you can write text center. H1 you can write React Redux, React and Redux. React and Redux. Under the 8, there should be text -end, and here you will write a button called dashboard. Next button, manage user, manage books, manage API. Okay. For these buttons, we can use the class of Bootstrap, class name btn, btn hyphen primary, or danger you can keep first one. Next button, info, success and warning. Info, success and warning. Try this section quickly. After writing this, start your server, then check once button is getting apply or not, Bootstrap is reflecting or not. Start the server one. Okay, so hope you get started, right? Okay, go ahead next now. So you will see button in the left side, button in the right side. Button will be in the right side, and the एक moment. Now, after this, let's import. In the beginning, import call hash router. See, as of now, you have not entered under the Redux part. You are still under the React only. So in React, we are structuring the project. We are making the pages. We are linking the pages. Once React pages are ready, then Redux will get involved in that. And then we'll see where the Redux will work and how it will work. So first React related functionality finish and structure the project. So hash router routes, route, then link. Hash router, route, and then link. Hash router, route, and then link. So buttons look like this, correct? React Redux. Now coming down, we need to implement this hash router and all. So come next, and hash router will be the first element of your page, and it will close in the last also. It will close in the last also. Hash router you will close in the last. Okay. So hash router open and close. Next, all the button convert into link. All the button convert into link. Link open, link close. Class will be same. Link open, link close. Class will be same. Right? Link we added. Now inside the link, you will write here property called to only slash to slash user link to slash book link to slash API After adding this, we can look into the browser, click on the link, URL should change. URL should change. React Redux also we can put inside the blue color. Text primary. React Redux, put in the text primary. Different color will come, blue color.
Yeah.
Which one?
React router DOM.
React router DOM. React have installed.
Yes, sir.
Spelling.
So,
ठीक है जा सकते हैं. Is in live. It is not installed. React Python. Router Python DOM. We will be installing. Open that. Folder. Go to the project folder. And project 3. Open and go to terminal. Here terminal. VS for terminal. New terminal. Right here npm install. VS for CMD. The folder. CMD project 3. npm install.
so React router.
React hyphen router hyphen DOM. npm install React hyphen router hyphen DOM.
Now,
Okay, so on the click of that, the link should change, and according to that, the page also has to load. So we have a file called book user and dashboard, right? API we have not created, so we'll create API also. Go to the dashboard.js file, const dashboard return h1 dashboard export default dashboard. We can write here my dashboard. Keep the constant name, change my dashboard. Apply my everywhere. My dashboard. Similar way, inside the user, you will write my user. Under the book, you will write my book. Correct? So how many? 3 component. Let's write that and do the routing under the app.js. So under the user.js file, the component name will be called my user. Under the book.js file, component name will be my book. Correct? You will have a file called api.js. Under the api.js, the component name will be my API. Okay. Now in the dashboard.js file, the component name is called my dashboard. Please make ready this all. Try writing in all the components. Now we have learned something, no? So you can write something from your side. Some part I will write, some part you can write. Please write in all the component. Any H1 tag you can use just to display a headline. Finish routing. So hope everyone has written the routing. If I show you the app.js file, then what is the meaning? I've asked you to write the routing. Okay, so let's go ahead. As soon as you start reaching end of syllabus, what should happen? You should start standing on your own leg. Okay, you should start standing on your own leg. Routing you should be able to write. Bootstrap design you should be able to do. My book, my user, my API. My book, my user, my user, my user. That's one more we have called my API. We need to create a file called api.js. The api.js, my API, API, my API, my API. My API. Next, you need to import those files, correct? Import here, my dashboard, import call, my API, import call my user, import call my book, next after importing this all will come down. Link is already ready. Link is already ready. So routing is written by how many people? Anyone have written the routing? Okay, so one person send in the chat also. Let me use that code. That is here. Check now. So according to click, the content should get changed. By default, dashboard should appear. According to click, the content has to change. Is it loading according to click? When you are clicking on buttons, Below content are changing or not? When we are clicking here, content has to change. Okay. Okay, now the routing is ready. Pages are also ready, basic. Next, page wise, we have to do some changes. In each page, what will be the design? What type of, okay, page wise design should be different. And then let us go then. Page wise. First, we'll go to the user, then book, then API. So if routing is working for all, anyone have error? No error. Come to the user file now. In user file, we will follow the division, class name, class name, container, container. In container, after container, we can write empty5 also. Next division, class name equal to row. Under that, next division, call hyphen lg hyphen 12. Next division, h2, user management, text center, text center, okay, user management should look like this. Coming user management. Below to that, we can write one text box. Enter full name. Input type equal to text. Text. Class name. M3. Button. Save user. Can keep this in text center again. So everything should print in the middle. Text center will be right. You can use the text center. So text box is ready. Something like this. Next below, we have to create a table. After this 12, create a table. Oh, but after 12, you can't create like this directly. After 12, you have to create one more division. Class name, call hyphen, LG hyphen 12, MT3. Then you can create a table. Class name, table, table hyphen, DORBERED, table hyphen, okay, table border is enough. Head, TR, TH, serial number, full name, name, next TH, it now should look like this. BG light we can give, TR class name, BG hyphen light, and text hyphen primary. Okay, then now we'll go to the next call, book.js file. So user looking similar. Come to next file then, book.js file. In book.js file also we required container, row, columns. Anyone is writing still? Let's write it. Division, class name equal to row, division, all LG 12, and text center again. H2, book management. Next, after that, you can write one text box. Input type equal to text, class name M3, placeholder equal to enter name. These three text boxes we can write in a separate p tag. Price, price, quantity. After that, one button is required. Button there. Click now, book page, something like this. One table we need to create after this. Create a table. Last name, table, table hyphen BORDERAD. Head, PR, DV light, text to primary. Wait no for some time. Next age, cell number. Next age, book name. Next age, price. Next age, quantity. Next age, taxon. That will look like this. T body will add once we get the data. Okay, so hope this page is working. Then we'll see you tomorrow. We will integrate with the Redux. So hope you will not miss the class. We'll understand first on user file, single dimensional array, how it will work with the Redux. Then we'll see multi-dimensional array, how it will work with the Redux. Then we'll implement the API, how we can get the data from API and maintain with Redux. And then combine content of all three files, API, user, book, combined content will come under the dashboard. Okay, once we implement one file user, you will come to know, okay, this is the use of Redux. But we have to create many files and we need to implement all connectivity, then it will happen. So that will be again tomorrow. Some files we have to create, 3-4 files we have to create, then after that it will happen.